Want to get paid first in your next investment, before the banks, before your partners, and actually protect your returns? Well, that's what this video is about, because the smartest investors aren't just hoping for 10%. They're becoming the bank. And you've probably heard that phrase before, but what does it really mean? And how do you do it without managing property or playing the stock market? Let me show you exactly how it works and the traps that most people miss. Here's the simple version. You lend money. They pay you interest. You get steady monthly checks. And depending on how the deal is structured, you may hold a first position lien, a preferred equity stake, or a senior note, each with different rights, risks, and timelines. But the key idea, you get paid before the owner touches a dollar. This model is called note investing or private lending. You're not buying property, you're not buying stock, you're lending money, just like a bank would. This is the same model used by banks, insurance companies, and pension funds. They've quietly made billions doing exactly this for decades. You loan money to an investor or a business owner. They pay you back monthly with interest, and the deal is backed by something real, usually real estate. If things go bad, you're not last in line, you're first. You don't manage anything, you don't fix anything, you just get paid. Now, it sounds simple, but don't get lazy. If you don't vet the borrower or the collateral is garbage, you could be chasing your money for months or never get it back. And remember, foreclosures take time. I mean, if someone defaults, you might not see that money again for 9 to 18 months, depending on the state and legal process. That's why smart investors only lend at 60 to 70% of the asset's value. That way there's a cushion, a real safety net. And they don't bet it all on one loan either. They spread it across 10 or more to protect themselves from that one deal that goes sideways. It happens every once in a while. So what does this actually pay? Well, most of the time you're looking at 8 to 10% annual returns, paid monthly or quarterly. Compare that to high yield bonds, which pay less and carry downgrade risk, or dividend stocks, which are taxed higher and can be cut overnight. In certain niche deals like bridge loans, junior liens, or distressed paper, 12 to 15% might be realistic, but with higher risk or shorter durations. And if someone defaults, you might end up closer to 5 to 7% after recovery costs and legal delays. Still solid, but not bulletproof. But here's what most people don't realize. When you're the lender and you've done your due diligence, a borrower's problem is often your opportunity. If the property burns down, you're named on the insurance, the first one. If they can't make payments, you take the property and resell it and keep every dime they already paid you. Evictions, not your problem. Repairs, not your problem. You're not in the real estate business. You're in the money business. And once you start seeing it that way, you'll understand why banks don't buy homes. They lend on them. Because that's where the leverage is. That's where the security is. That's where the power is. And that's where the upside lives, even when things go wrong. Here, let's make it real. Say you lend $100,000 on a $150,000 property at 10%. If they pay on time, that's $10,000 a year. If they default, you take over a $150,000 property with $50,000 of built-in equity. That's how the bank thinks. And now you can too. But don't get too comfortable because it's easy to do. There are still Ponzi schemes out there today using fake notes and guaranteed return promises. The SEC has put out multiple alerts. If you ever hear the word guaranteed, you gotta run the other way. But when it's done right, when you work with legit operators, this is one of the cleanest, calmest ways to earn steady income without owning a single thing. If you want to see what that actually looks like, I found a resource with 3 live examples. Limited availability, but they're live right now. And it includes the real numbers, the structure, and the exact questions I ask before I say yes to a deal. And no email required, I don't need that. Just click the link below and it's yours. It'll give you a clearer picture than anything your financial advisor or some TikTok money coach will ever show you. But even 10% loses its shine if you're handing half of that to the IRS. So what if you could grow this income tax deferred or even tax free? That's what makes this video right here a must, because done right, you build momentum and you keep what you earn. Done wrong, you overpay taxes, you lose asset protection, and you stall your entire cash flow engine. So watch this next. Thanks for watching. Take care.